of animal. So as you all know, two types of question is coming, objective and subjective. So we have to read the chapter thoroughly because we have to give the answer of internal questions also. So line by line you try to read the chapter, and already I have uploaded the video of this chapter beforehand. So you can watch that video also. So today we are going to take a revision of some questions only. Like that, children, have you ever seen any animal eating its food? You have seen now? So different animals are eating food in a different way. You can see some are eating flesh, some are eating parts of plants. So they are eating different types of food. So what was it eating or drinking? They are eating different things and different food they are eating now. So they are having different kinds of teeth, structure and everything which is adapted according to their eating habit. So here is some question, oral question, you try to answer. How do frogs catch and swallow insects? Okay, you have already have read the chapter that every animal is eating in a different way. Okay, because they are eating different things. So how frog catch and swallow insects? Frogs are eating insects. How they are eating insects? So what used to do frog? Frog pull out their long tongue now. They pull out their long tongue and then the insect stick on its tongue and it roll back to its mouth. Like that only frog is eating insects. Now how does giraffe long neck help it? Giraffe is eating the leaves of the tall tree now. So how the neck is helping? Due to this long neck only, it can able to reach to the tall tree. So like that only in eating, only this long neck is helping now for eating only, because they used to eat the leaves of the tall tree. Because in which area the giraffe is living, there is a tree very tall. It is not of short height. So their long neck help them to eat the leaves of a tall tree. Now here is some objective question. This is the curd chewing animal. Okay. You have to give the answer. Who are the curd chewing animal? What is the curd? Animal used to eat food and swallow it directly to the stomach. And after some time, they used to bring out the food and chew it properly in a leisure time. You have seen cow is chewing the curd. So which animal is chewing here? Fox, tiger, deer or cow? So answer is cow. This animal moves quietly towards the insects. Which animal? Lizard, giraffe, python or dog? Lizard you have seen at home also. Quietly they are moving towards the insects. Okay? Human beings are omnivorous, herbivorous or carnivorous, or none of them? None of them. Human beings are eating something now. So what they are eating? They are eating both plants part and flesh of animals. So they are omnivorous. So answer is omnivorous. Dash and dash are two scavengers. You know what is scavengers? Scavengers are the animals which used to clean the jungle. They are eating the dead animals. Okay. So fox and vulture are two scavengers. Fox and vulture are two scavengers. Then dash feed on the leaves of a plant. Who used to feed on the leaves of the plants? What is the answer? Who are feeding on the leaves of the plant? So answer is grasshopper. You have seen grasshopper? Grasshopper used to feed on the leaves of a plant. Now next question is dash help in keeping the jungle clean. Who used to help in keep the jungle clean? Just now I said that is scavengers. A dash can swallow animal twice the size of its mouth. Who can swallow? Python. That is a snake. Okay. A snake can swallow the animal or python, we can say python can swallow the animal twice of its size. Okay, so answer is python. Then we will discuss some question of the worksheet also. So here is some more fill in the blanks from the worksheet. All living things need dash to grow. All living things need food to grow. Okay. Herbivores have wide and dash teeth in front. They are having wide and broad teeth. Dash have a long coiled tube-like tongue. Who are having long coiled tube-like tongue? Who are having butterfly? Okay. A dash has a long and sticky tongue. Who are having? Frog is also having long and sticky tongue, and lizard is also having long and sticky tongue. You can give any answer, frog or lizard, okay? Now here is the match the following. We have to match the following like that we can say here. So here we have to match the following, okay? So butterfly is having long coil-like tongue, that is known as proboscis. Okay. Spider used to make web. Bird is having beak, and this grasshopper feed on the leaves. So just now we have matched the following like this. Now children, give one example of each of the following. An omnivore. Give one example of an omnivore which are eating both things. That is human beings. Okay. Here also you can say a herbivore, cow, goat, anything you can say. Carnivore, tiger, lion, and scavengers are fox and vulture. Only one example you have to give. Either you write fox or you write vulture. Now here is the true and false. Rabbits have sharp teeth in front. Whether it is true or false? Yes, rabbit is having sharp teeth in front. It is right statement. Elephant uses its trunk for drinking water. Yes, elephant is using trunk for drinking water. Goat is carnivore? No, goat is herbivorous animal. So this is false statement. A plant is always at the beginning of food chain. Yes, of course. Plant is always at the beginning of a food chain. Okay children, so keep on practicing, keep on learning. Thank you. Have a nice day.